Okay, so we're going to start with the main idea because that's the SAT topic that we're beginning with for English Language Arts. So the main idea is the central idea or focus of a piece of text. An entire passage, article, or chapter has a main idea. So each paragraph might have its own main idea. There's a main idea that goes over the whole text, and then each paragraph has its own main ideas. A main idea can be explicit or implied. Explicit means that it's clearly stated. You see a sentence that completely says what the main idea is. Implied means the author doesn't come right out and say it, and that you have to kind of guess at what the main idea is. Questions on the SAT that look like this are: the main purpose of the passage is to. The primary purpose of the second paragraph is to. The passage mainly describes. The first paragraph is mainly about. Which of the following is the best title for the passage? Which of the following titles best describe the content of the passage? Which of the following best states the central theme of the passage? And over the course of the passage, the focus shifts from. These are all questions that can give you clues that what they're looking for is just the main idea. So some reading strategies to help you with these kind of questions. Number one, start with the topic. After you read the article or text, you can say, what did I just read about? If I had to sum it up in one sentence, what did I just read about? Number two, you got to take it a step further and say, what is the point the author is trying to make about the topic? What is the author trying to make me think about? Number three, look at the details, facts, and examples in the paragraph. What are they all pointing to? Number four, eliminate incorrect answer choices. Look at the ones you know are not correct and cross those out. Number five, if you have an answer you think is right, ask yourself, does it cover the entire passage? You guys, sometimes you look at these questions and you pick an answer that seems right because part of the essay or part of the article talked about it, but it wasn't about the whole thing. Okay, you have to make sure, does it encompass the entire article? And last, always look at the first and last paragraph of the passage. Usually, the first sentence and the last sentence kind of can help you understand what the passage is about. So we're going to practice. We're going to read this out loud, and then we're going to do the practice questions together. Okay, now that you've got to read the paragraphs and you got to answer the questions, let's see how you did. The answer to number one is D. The answer to number two is C. And the answer to number three is B.